The bar and mirrors are not original Royal Enfield. These are actually the knockoffs, which I got for like 1/10 of the price. The original ones cost around 7,000, and this one I got for just 700 bucks. This was from sarkat.com, and let me tell you, it's not of the best quality. The mirrors came apart in just like 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers. This one just came out. I had to glue it back on using a arrow light. The right one also caused some trouble, but again at the end of the day I managed to fix both of these mirrors. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. For 700 bucks it's worth a lot of money, because I didn't want to spend 7,000 rupees on a silly mirror, because in India if you park it anywhere, there's high chances it will get damaged. There's a very high chance.